Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to give the Ahsec Betterment exam. This examination offers a fantastic chance to enhance your academic record. We will cover its purpose, who can apply, and the significant advantages of improving your grades. It is a straightforward process designed to help students achieve their full potential and open doors to future educational paths. To be eligible, you must have appeared for the higher secondary final examination previously. The application window typically opens shortly after the main results are announced, usually lasting for a few weeks. You will need to obtain the application form from your school or college, complete it carefully, and submit it along with the prescribed examination fees to your institution. For the Betterment exam, you can select specific subjects where you wish to improve your scores. Often, students are allowed to choose one or two subjects. Effective preparation is key. Focus on your textbooks and practice with previous year's question papers. Understanding the exam pattern and syllabus will significantly boost your chances of achieving higher grades. After taking the Betterment exam, the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council will consider the better of your two scores for each subject. This means your original score or your Betterment score, whichever is higher, will be your final grade. Significantly improved marks can greatly enhance your academic profile, leading to better college admissions and future career prospects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.